Welcome back to Tech Goods. Today we're diving into a tool designed to transform B2B sales. It's called Nexuscale AI, and it helps you generate and close leads around the clock without relying on cold emails that go unread. Traditional cold outreach is a grind. You spend hours finding prospects, writing generic emails, and hoping someone responds. Most of the time, those emails don't even get opened. Nexuscale AI changes that by automating the process. With over 450 million B2B leads in its database, you can define your ideal customer profile using 20 filters like industry, company size, or even funding events. The AI scans millions of data points to find qualified prospects, while advanced search queries help you cut out bad leads. But it doesn't stop at lead generation. Nexuscale AI personalizes outreach at scale. It analyzes LinkedIn profiles, job history, posts, and even news articles about your prospects. Instead of sending another stale template, you're sending tailored messages that actually resonate. That means better engagement, higher reply rates, and more booked calls. The platform also keeps up with your leads by tracking LinkedIn activity and current projects, so your follow-ups stay relevant. You can A/B test email sequences to see what works best and adjust your strategy with real-time data. The analytics dashboard shows how many emails you've sent, replies you've received, meetings booked, and daily lead growth. In short, Nexuscale AI is like having a 24/7 sales assistant. It finds leads, personalizes outreach, and gives you the data to keep improving. If you're ready to stop sending cold emails and start closing more deals, this might be the tool you've been looking for.